In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Jira. We'll do this right from your Trello board using the Jira plus Trello two-way sync power-up, which lets information flow between cards and issues so your team doesn't have to duplicate work. First, open Trello and head to your board's view. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you plan to use. If you work in a shared or company workspace, it's a good idea to confirm that power-ups are allowed for that board. Next, click into the board you want to connect, then open the Power-Ups menu. You'll find Power-Ups in the board header or via the sidebar menu, and they're Trello's way of adding extra capabilities to a board. This is where we'll link Jira. Choose Add Power-Ups. That opens the Power-Ups directory where you can search the catalog. In the search bar, type Jira plus Trello two-way sync. You should see the listing for the integration that keeps Trello cards and Jira issues synchronized in both directions, which is helpful for engineering and product teams working from different tools. When you see the integration in the results, click Add. Trello may display a small confirmation or an information panel about what the power-up can do. This is normal and simply explains the access it needs to function on your board. To finish enabling it on the board, click Add again. Think of this as confirming the installation so it becomes active. After a moment, the power-up will appear on your board. You'll see it listed under Power-Ups, and many boards also show a button or panel you can open to view its options. From here, you're ready to start using the connection. If your organization's Jira requires certain permissions, you might see prompts later to sign in or choose a site when you begin using the Power-Ups features. That's expected behavior and helps keep access secure. Also note that some Trello plans limit the number of power-ups per board. If you hit a limit, consider removing an unused one before adding this integration. That's it. You went to your board's view, opened your board's power-ups, chose Add Power-Ups, searched for Jira plus Trello two-way sync, clicked Add, and confirmed by clicking Add once more. Your Trello board is now set up to work with Jira, streamlining updates across both tools.